Happy morning, children. How are you, ma? I'm fine, beta. Today I'm going to teach you English subject. In that we learned thirsty, the thirsty animals. No, beta. I hope you understood the thirsty animals very well, beta. No. So again I will learn this lesson. And here this and that is there, beta, in this lesson. Once again, tell me, Nana. Now here some questions are there, beta. I will read these questions. See, was it hot in the forest? Ma, there is very hot in the forest. You learn. I told you to do the lesson reading also, no, beta. So I hope you do the lesson reading. So was it hot in the forest? Yes, it is very hot in the forest. Was there water in the river, lake and pond, beta? No, there is no water in the river, lake and pond. Okay. Were the animals thirsty? Yes, animals all are thirsty. Who stretched his neck to look around for water? Who stretched his neck, beta? Yes, giraffe. Giraffe stretched means like this. Okay, for water. Who hopped from branch to branch in search of water? Who hopped, Nana? Monkey. Monkey hopped and searched for water. And what did the moles do? What did the moles do? Moles means it's look like a how means porcupine. Do you know porcupine, Nana? Same like that only, but porcupines have like hair. But here this animal did not have hair, Nana. Same like that only, porcupine only, Nana. I will show you in the Zoom class, beta. So moles, what did the moles do means the moles will dig the soil for water. Deep and deep dig the soil for water, moles. Finally, who offered to help? Finally, they offered to help parrot. No, they asked parrot. What did the parrot do? Parrot searched for water at the end of the forest. What did the parrot find? Water. Pond. No. Yes. Where was the pond? The pond was end of the forest. The pond was, the water was end of the pond was end of the forest. What did the animals do? Animals are very happy. What did all the animals shout? Water, water, water. Animals are shouting water, water. No, beta. Yes. What did the elephant do? Elephant took water in his trunk and splashed the water. Did all the animals thank to the parrot, Nana? Yes, all the animals are thank to the parrot. Okay. Now here you have to learn this bit also, ma. BR, CR, DR, FR, GR, PR and TR. Okay. So BRUSH, brush, brown, broom, bread, broke, bright. BR sounds. CRAB, crab, cry, crown, crack, crocodile, crib. FDR, DREAM, 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 drum, drop, drink, dry, dragon. FRIEND, friend, frog, fruit, fry, frame, frog. Okay. PRINCE, prince, princess, press, price, present, price. TRAIN, trade, tree, triangle, trunk and tree. Okay. And this one also you have to read, Nana. See, BRANCH words. Here words are there, no? So this is related to this only, beta. Branch, crayons, truck, dress, frog, grapes, princess and green. No? Yes. Complete the sentences and related only. You have to read this and that also, beta. Already I told you this is a book. That is a board. Okay? Yes. So near you have this. For you have that. Okay, that, this, that, this. What is this? This is a horse. What is that? That is a penguin. What is that? What is that? That is a cup. What is this? This is a lion. What is this? What is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a computer. What is this? What is that? That is a crown. What is this? What is that? That is a truck. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? This is a tree. Okay, Nana? This, that. Okay, this is a book. That is a chart. Okay, Mom? And here also matching there, you have to finish this matching sign. This is a hen, that is a lion. This is an alligator. That is an alligator. This is a zebra. That is an elephant. This is an owl. Okay, near is there this. Far is there that. Okay, ma'am. And you have to read these keywords and question answers also, beta. Okay, you have to write down in your rub book. You have to write down in your rub book all these keywords and question answers one time. Write down in your classwork book neatly in a cursive writing. And you have to give the finger gap. Give and write. Was there water in the river? WS was, finger gap. Water, WATR water, finger gap. IS is, IN in. You have to give the finger gaps and write. Okay, beta. You have to read and write these question answers. Okay, ma. I will ask in the Zoom class, ma. Okay, bye, ma. Take care, Nana.